Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video I will teach you how you can download any YouTube video on Android or iOS devices without any application. For this one you have to open YouTube. After opening the YouTube application, then you have to search the video that you want to download. Then click on search. Then from the search, click on the video. Your video will start playing. Under the title of the video, you will see download option. Click on it. It will take a while to load. So here you will see the resolution details of the video. If you want to download this video in high quality 720 pixel, then the size of the video will be 37 MB. If you want to download this video in medium quality in 360 pixels, then the video size will be 20 MB. If you want to download this video in low quality 144 pixel, then the video size will be only 9 MB. So select the quality that you want to download. So we want to download this video in high quality 720 pixel. We'll click on OK. In the bottom you can see the download notification. That means our video is start downloading in our phone gallery. Here you can see our video is now downloading. The video is now downloaded to our phone gallery. To access your downloaded videos, you have to open YouTube app once again. You can turn off internet. You have to open YouTube. And then you have to click on library. Then click on downloads. So you will find all your downloaded videos in this downloads folder. Click on it. At the top you will see your downloaded video. Click on it and you can play it. Here you can see our video is now playing. So in the same way you can also download any YouTube video on Android or iOS devices without any application. If you still have any question, then comment below in the comment section. We will answer all of your queries. Like this video and share also. If you are new at this video, subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Whenever we will prepare a new video, you will get notification that Technology Consultant channel has uploaded a new video. You can watch it. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.